This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in YouTube Studio now, so start by filtering content for shorts videos under 60 seconds. Once you see the list, select the ones you don't want. Make a clear choice. Delete, set to private or unlist, or plan to upload as a standard 16:9 video. Do this because shorts are categorized by duration and aspect ratio. Changing visibility immediately removes public exposure, while uploading gives you a chance to preserve views and replace the short with a regular upload. Once done selecting, use bulk actions to set visibility to private or unlisted, or choose delete if you must remove permanently. If you prefer to keep content, export the original file and convert to 16:9 canvas, or add a short intro so duration exceeds 60 seconds. Then upload as a standard video. Make sure to update title, tags, playlists, and upload a custom thumbnail so YouTube treats it as a regular video rather than reclassifying it as a short. After you publish or change visibility, verify the result by checking your channel on mobile and desktop. Use incognito to bypass cache. If shorts still show up in the shorts shelf, clear the YouTube app cache, force close the app, and give the system 24 to 48 hours to recrawl metadata. If problems persist, contact YouTube support and provide the video ID and timestamps. This helps them reconcile classification. Remember, patience and clear metadata are why YouTube updates the feed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.